Excuse me, could you help me with something? I'm planning to go to Mount Bromo from here in Tulungagung. Do you know the best way? Ah, Bromo. It's a fantastic trip. From here, you have a few options, but none are direct. The best approach is usually to get to Malang or Surabaya first, and then continue your journey from there. Malang or Surabaya. Okay. How do I get to either of those from Tulungagung? For Malang, the train is very convenient. You can take a train like the Matarmaja from Tulungagung station to Malang station. It's affordable and quite comfortable. The journey takes around 3 to 4 hours. That sounds perfect. How much does a Matarmaja train ticket from Tulungagung to Malang usually cost? It's very affordable, often around 45,000 to 70,000 rupiah. Wow, that's cheap. And for a more comfortable option, perhaps executive class? There aren't many direct executive class options on that short route. The Matarmaja train is the main one, and it's mostly economy class. And for Surabaya, same thing. The train is also available, or a bus. The train might be faster than the bus depending on traffic. Once you are in Surabaya, Gubeng or Pasar Turi Station, you then need to figure out how to get to Bromo, which usually means heading towards Probolinggo. What's the approximate cost for the train ticket from Surabaya to Probolinggo? The train journey to Probolinggo can vary quite a bit in price, depending on the class and the number of transfer. You're looking at a range of about 120,000 rupiah to 650,000 rupiah, roughly $8 to $42 US dollar per person. The cheaper options are usually economy class trains like the Tawang Alun or Probowangi. After a transfer, the total travel time by train and transfers is around 5 to 6 hours. So, public transport is significantly cheaper, but much more time consuming and complicated. That's right. So, once I'm in Malang, what's the next step to actually reach Bromo? From Malang, you usually go via Tumpang. You take a local minivan, microlet in local language, to Tumpang Market, and from there you can hire a jeep or a motorbike taxi to the village of Ngadas, which is an access point to Bromo South Ring. And the bus from Surabaya? From Surabaya, you take a bus to Probolinggo. The main access point from the Probolinggo side is the village of Cemoro Lawang. From Probolinggo Terminal, you'll find shared minivans that go up to Cemoro Lawang. This is the most common route for tourists. And the cost for the bus? A bus ticket to Surabaya or Malang might be around 30,000 to 5,000 rupiah per person. The final leg from Probolinggo to Cemoro will be a bit more, maybe 50,000 rupiah to 75,000 rupiah, depending on the demand. Is hiring a private car an option? Yes, absolutely. It's more expensive but much more convenient. You can hire a driver and private car here in Tulung Agung to take you all the way to Cemoro Lawang or Ngadas for a day or two. The price for that can vary a lot depending on the car type and the duration of your trip. What's a typical price range for hiring a car with a driver? You're looking at roughly 1,500,000 to 2,500,000 rupiah for the return trip plus fuel and maybe accommodation for the driver if you're staying overnight near Bromo. Some packages include everything though. That sounds much easier. How long does a private car take? From Tulungagung, a private car trip could take around 5 to 7 hours, depending on traffic and the final village you choose. Perfect. Thank you so much for the information. That helps a lot. You're welcome. Enjoy Bromo. It's a beautiful place.